Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to access ChatGPT absolutely free on Microsoft Edge web browser, how to use it, how many features. We will see detailed demonstrations. So let's start as a Mac screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here Microsoft Edge. Download for Mac, download for Windows. I already added this link in video description, and Microsoft Edge is available on Windows, Mac OS, iOS and Android devices also. So I just simply click here, and which Mac you are using, Intel Clip or Mac with Apple Clip. So I have this one. Thank you so much for downloading this application. After download, you just simply click twice, continue, install. So look at this here. After installation, Microsoft Edge is coming here in your launchpad. I just simply open here. So look at this here. Before start anything, you need to log in first of all here. So I just log in here. So after that, here the top of the screen, Bing AI options are available. I click here and the new tab is open here. If I click here, so Bing tab is open here under the Microsoft Edge browser. So here chat section are available here, and now you can ask here any of the question. The ChatGPT are providing you the answer how to run Python code in Mac. Enter. So look at this here. After a couple of seconds, here we are receiving the answer, same kind of ChatGPT. Because of ChatGPT are selling 59% share with the Microsoft, and Microsoft, the ChatGPT are merging here in Microsoft Bing or Microsoft Edge browser. That one is really amazing. Yes, I have installed Python. So after that, we are receiving some of the answer, and even the answer are very interesting. We are receiving even the YouTube video, most important YouTube video they are providing. Oh great, do you knowledge about the Python? You can ask here any of the question, and this ChatGPT are providing you answer absolutely free. No need to registration. You just install Microsoft Edge and enjoy the ChatGPT features absolutely free. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.